What is next? Next is delete command. Delete command we have used yesterday also, and again we will do it for recalling it, right? So here, what we are going to do? List space delete, delete space list, del space list क्या है हमारा L1. अब L1 से अंदर के अंदर से मान लीजिए हमको फोर्थ एलिमेंट हटाना है, राइट? वी हैव जीरो एलिमेंट, first element, second element, third and fourth. I want to remove first element, right? First element हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पे remove करना है. अभी अभी हम देखते हैं यहाँ पे हमने L1 को प्रिंट कर दिया, ठीक है? देखते हैं यहाँ पे L2 को हम हटा देते हैं. L2 is additional over here, right? Now we will see the result. It cannot delete function call. Function call. Wait a minute. Why it is showing like this? What was the index? Okay, cool. The sign was wrong over here. That's why it is giving error. तो sign हमारा क्या होना चाहिए यहाँ पे? ये हमारा होना चाहिए square. Means square bracket होना चाहिए, right? Now we will see. अब देखिए हमारा ऊपर से क्या हुआ, हमने right from upside we have removed like fourth element of the list, right? It is our list. In our list we have zero element, first element, second element, third element and fourth element, right? Total 4 elements we are having. 0 to 4 means 5 elements, right? And we are using the command L1. So we are removing the fourth element. So what is fourth element over here? So it will count it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So it is our output. Right. We are getting output over here. Like 50 is removed from the list. Right. But again we have added it. We want to add it. Then we have added it over here. See, you are able to see in next line we have added it with the help of append command. Append command से हम लोगों ने जो एलिमेंट हमने रिमूव किया था वो एलिमेंट the next command we are going to see, that is our clear command, right? Clear, what clear command will do? Clear command will empty our list. वो empty हो जाएगी. So see the example of that. We have command list. What is our list? L1 dot clear. After that, we have given like a blank round bracket. See the output. Functions that list or function of Python. Yeah, it is given what pop command here it is written. Pop command remove an item at a defined index. Right. If you will not give any index, then it will remove the last number. Okay. अगर हम कोई भी इंडेक्स नहीं देते हैं तो क्या करेगा वो? It will remove the last index. See here, L1 dot pop. Right, pop command I have used. I have not given any index. Let's see it is running. Yes. See, this is our list. In list we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Right, and we have used pop command. And when we use pop command, the new updated list we got, that is 10, 20, 30, 40. Understand? So this way we have removed it. Okay. Now let's use here an index. Suppose it is 0 index. If you want to remove the value of 0 index, then what you will do? We'll just run the command and see here the first element. You can say na 0 element. 0 index is removed. 10 is on 0 index and we have removed 0 index from here. Right? 0 index को हमने यहाँ से क्या कर दिया? Remove कर दिया. Understand? So this way we will use the our function. Here see next is list dot index. What is this? What is use of index function? So here it is showing return index of first matched in item. Right? First. Now next is sort. Sort command. Suppose first we will see sort command. Right? See. Suppose we are having this list. Right? We will again rewrite this list. Right? Again हम लोग लिस्ट को रीराइट करते हैं. Like suppose we have 20, 10, 30, 50 and 40. Right? This is our list. And we want to sort it. Or we want to use sort command. Sort command use करेंगे तो हम क्या होगा ये? The list will be sorted. The list will be sorted. Let's see. See. In our list, I have given it in it is not in sequence, right? Numbers are coming without sequence in list. But when I have used sort command, then I got the list in sequence way. It is in sequence now in output, right? Now, right? What is use of reverse command? The list which we are having, it will reverse it as it is. See, we are able to see the list. This is our updated list. Right? After it, it is reversing it. Understand? And after reversing it, we will sort it. Then what will be output? अगर हम लोग इसको शॉर्ट करते हैं इस तरह से, तो अभी आउटपुट क्या आएगा बेटा? What you will get as output? Can anyone please tell me? What will be as output as of now? I have given L1 dot reverse, and I have after that I have given L1 dot short. Right? तो इसका आउटपुट क्या आने वाला है? Any idea? Let's see the output. देखिए हमने क्या किया? लिस्ट को रिवर्स कर दिया. But after that I have given short command. Understand? तो इस तरीके से हम लोग शॉर्ट कमांड का यूज करेंगे, या कह सकते हैं हम लोग शॉर्ट फंक्शन का यूज करेंगे. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू चेक लेंथ ऑफ योर लिस्ट, अगर आपको अपने लिस्ट का लेंथ चेक करना है, व्हाट इज योर लेंथ, देन व्हाट यू विल डू, देन फॉर दैट केस you will use the length function. Let's see the example. See, I am removing this both, right? These both I have removed. Here it is our list, right? Now I wanted to see the length of list. So here I have used, suppose I have used length, and here I have given list is L1, right? So if I print this, then what will come? Then it will print the list only, right? इसने list print कर दिया. हमें क्या चाहिए? We need length. So we have to print it, right? हम लोग इसको print करेंगे. length of the list, right? Okay, so we will use the max command. So here, if I wanted to use max command, length command आपने देखा है, in length command we will got the output of length. Here, if I use max command, then I will get the maximum value of the list. Right? What is maximum value in our list? In our list, the maximum value is 50. Right? 50 is maximum value. Let me close output again. Let's let's see. Right? It is our program. I have written it. One list is given over here, and I have given it to, like, I want maximum number from the list. Then you are able to see the result, like 50 is the maximum number. Right? So it is your max function. Now here min function. Right? In min function, we are able to see the minimum value from the list. Right, here we are able to see minimum value of our list. So in our list, there will be, what is minimum? 10 is minimum value in our list. Okay, तो ये हमारा list हो गया. And after that, it is given sequence. Right? Convert a tuple string set dictionary into list. Right? ये क्या करेगा? We are already having a list. अगर हमारे पास लिस्ट नहीं होता है ये, अगर इसका हम लोग वो चेंज कर दें, राइट, लाइक वी आर कन्वर्टिंग इट नाउ इन टपल. यहाँ पे इसको हमने स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट की जगह हमने इसको राउंड ब्रैकेट दे दिया. नाउ इट इज कन्वर्टेड इन टपल. ओके, एंड नाउ आई वांट टू कन्वर्ट इट इन लिस्ट. देन व्हाट आई विल डू, आई हैव गिवन हियर L1 and sequence. Right? Let's see. It is not taking that command. Means L1 dot sequence. Let me check. Convert a tuple string state dictionary into list. There maybe there is down in the program. L1 dot sequence. Let's see. Let me write here. L1 dot is dot or what? Okay, that in bracket there is sequence. Right? L1 and in bracket it is sequence. Right. Now let's see if we will take L1. L1 को हम लोग use करते हैं. Now again it is not running. Means what is showing there? It is showing line 2. The module SEQ is not defined. Right. SEQ is not defined. It again and then we will use it. I think there is some technique while using that particular list. Okay, so no problem. So you have understand now the method through which you have seen the use of different kind of function. Right, different kind of function का हम लोगों ने use देखा है आपने. ठीक है. Now see here. Here few programs are given over here. See the first program, what is saying? Some program on list. कुछ प्रोग्राम है, क्या है? Find the largest number in a list. लिस्ट में आपको क्या करना है? लार्जेस्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है. राइट. सी व्हाट इज गिवन ओवर हियर. ए इज इक्वल टू एम्प्टी लिस्ट. राइट. ए जो है हमारा क्या है? एक एम्प्टी लिस्ट है. एंड एन इज इक्वल टू इनपुट एंटर द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट. राइट. मीनिंग इज इट, you are having an empty list and you are putting value in the list by your own. आप अपने से वैल्यू पुट कर रहे हैं and after that you are finding the range of that list. Okay, and see here we are getting b int input enter element, राइट. देखिए यहाँ पे इसका आउटपुट आपको दिख रहा है. ठीक है, जैसे यहाँ पे हमने लिस्ट, अब इसको हम लोग रन करा के देख लेते हैं. we will run it once and we will able to understand properly. ठीक है, यहाँ देखिए we will take the same value, right. Let's run it and see the output. यहाँ पे क्या कह रहा है, in the expected index log, right. So what you will do,